Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to take you on a journey through the history of NASA. NASA, which stands for National Aeronautics and Space Administration, is a United States government agency responsible for the nation's civilian space program and for aeronautics and aerospace research. NASA was established in 1958, and since then, it has been at the forefront of space exploration. NASA's mission is to drive advances in science, technology, and exploration to enhance knowledge, education, innovation, economic vitality, and stewardship of Earth. It has achieved numerous milestones in space exploration, including landing humans on the Moon, launching robotic missions to explore the Solar System, and constructing the International Space Station. NASA's early history was marked by the Cold War space race between the United States and the Soviet Union. In 1961, NASA sent Alan Shepard, the first American astronaut, into space. Then, in 1969, NASA achieved the monumental feat of landing humans on the Moon with the Apollo 11 mission. This achievement was a defining moment in human history and sparked a new era of space exploration. NASA has continued to push the boundaries of space exploration, launching numerous robotic missions to explore the Solar System and beyond. In 2012, NASA's Curiosity rover landed on Mars, marking the first time a spacecraft had landed on the Red Planet since the Viking missions in the 1970s. NASA has also made significant contributions to aeronautics and aviation research, developing new technologies and improving aircraft safety. NASA's work in aeronautics has led to advancements such as supersonic flight and the development of the next-generation air traffic control system. In recent years, NASA has focused on developing the technologies necessary for deep space exploration, including the development of the Space Launch System and the Orion spacecraft. These technologies will enable human exploration of the Moon and Mars in the coming decades. Let's take a closer look at some of the key moments in NASA's history. In the early years of NASA, the agency focused on developing the technologies necessary for human spaceflight. In 1961, NASA sent Alan Shepard, the first American astronaut, into space. Shepard's flight lasted only 15 minutes, but it marked the beginning of a new era in space exploration. NASA's most famous achievement came in 1969, when Neil Armstrong and Edwin "Buzz" Aldrin became the first humans to set foot on the Moon. The Apollo 11 mission was the culmination of years of effort and marked a significant achievement in human history. After the success of the Apollo program, NASA shifted its focus to developing the Space Shuttle, a reusable spacecraft that would make it easier and more cost-effective to access space. The Space Shuttle made its first flight in 1981 and went on to complete 135 missions before being retired in 2011. In addition to human spaceflight, NASA has also been at the forefront of robotic space exploration. In 1971, NASA's Mariner 9 became the first spacecraft to orbit another planet, Mars. Since then, NASA has launched numerous missions to explore the Solar System and beyond, including the Voyager missions, which explored the outer planets of our Solar System, and the Hubble Space Telescope, which has provided stunning images of the universe for more than 30 years. NASA has also made significant contributions to aeronautics and aviation research. In the 1960s and 1970s, NASA developed supersonic flight technology, including the X-15 rocket plane and the State Route 71 Blackbird reconnaissance aircraft. More recently, NASA has been working on the next-generation air traffic control system, which will improve safety and efficiency in the nation's airspace. Looking to the future, NASA is continuing to push the boundaries of space exploration with plans to return humans to the Moon by 2024 through the Artemis program. This program will also lay the foundation for future crewed missions to Mars and beyond. The Artemis program includes the development of the Space Launch System, the most powerful rocket ever built, and the Orion spacecraft, which will carry crew and cargo to the Moon and beyond. In addition, NASA is working with international partners to establish a lunar outpost called the Gateway, which will serve as a staging point for crewed missions to the Moon and beyond. NASA is also working on numerous scientific missions, including the James Webb Space Telescope, which will be the largest and most powerful space telescope ever built, and the Mars 2020 mission, which will search for signs of past microbial life on the Red Planet. NASA's contributions to science, technology, and exploration have had a profound impact on our world. From the development of new technologies to the inspiration of future generations, NASA's legacy will continue to shape the world for years to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of NASA. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the agency's incredible achievements and exciting plans for the future. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content on space and science.